贏咗出嚟咧，
睇埋100米
啦，衝埋出去。
哇，好爽喎！斯蘭卡嗰個過啦，應該。
The gap is widening. She is pulling away from the.
亞洲青少年 U20錦標賽嘅冠軍啊！
臨尾個
女子1500米嘅決賽，咁啊，總共就有11名嘅選手啦。而我哋香港，因第10線道伊朗艾哈迪，同埋第11線道新加坡蔡恩文。咁啊，亦都見到依家嘅選手咧，係喺個拱門度出翻嚟啦。咁啊，準備佢陣間嘅比賽啊。咁啊，其實呢個拱門咧，即係每位選手可能出嚟嘅時候都會即係做一做自己嘅一個招牌動作啦。咁啊，即係希望可能即係觀眾會即係或者其他嘅支持嘅嘉賓可以即係認得自己，咁啊幫自己打氣。
咁啊，亦都打破咗係人面嘅。我明嘅今日好熱喎，香港。佢話唔熱啦。南韓啊，呢個比賽裏邊咧，新加坡選手咧。
And they are off in the women's 1500 meters here at the Asian Under-20 Athletics Championships.
冇錯。咁吳月希咧就我都同佢講過。
A tactical race is expected, but all eyes are on the lane where Sri Lanka's rising star, Tarushi Abhishekar, settles smoothly into the pack. She looks calm, focused, and ready to bide her time.
你跟後少少，搏人哋前面有啲人咧就跟快咧有機會散，但係睇呢個前面嘅速度又唔快喎。
好似開得好保守喎，今次
可能爭名
埋一齊啦。
爭名次嘅時候咧就會係咁啦。仲撳標呢個新加坡選手，我哋就唔好學啦，因為通常咧就撳標有機會嘥咗個時間，因為擺手嘅時間。佢每200撳一下咁啊，好嘥時間嘅。
個個都唔發力啊！可能呢啲比賽通常可能都係留到最後，即係搏個名次啊！即係知道原來。
There goes the bell. 1 lap to go. The pace is shifting gears now as the runners stretch out. Abhishekar is making her move on the outside. Look at that stride pattern, effortless, yet incredibly powerful.
係咪真係1分12左右啦？係慢過1分12添啊！14。
She is tracking the leaders closely, waiting for the perfect moment to strike.
運動員咧就走咗上去先，唔同佢等啦，跑自己飛繩啊！吳月希反而咧咁樣嘅速度咧就可能啱佢跑喎，即係唔係話前面好似正話個男子嘅3000米咧就前面開得好快之下咧就跟嗰個散嗰個，呢場咧就大家拖慢，有啲碰撞添啊！咁跑1500米都係啦，如果你走得太埋邊咧，俾人波住咧就好難突圍嘅，因為如果前面個步速太慢咧，有機會突然間有人踩油，即係我哋叫做走鬼，走咗出嚟先咧，你仲喺後邊俾人波住咧，就冇辦法拱到出嚟嘅。咁啊，又跑翻放出嚟之後又拖翻慢啦，又輪到第二個放喎。
咁啊都開得保守，咁所以人有啲都忍唔住腳就即係跑快少少啦。
係啊。咁啊，南韓嘅選手嘅李快佢都係跟，佢個策略就係跟，可能佢都係有啲速度嘅運動員咧先採取呢個戰術嘅。否則咧就好似3000咁咧，就日本選手知道嗰個卡塔越快咧，一定要全程都咁快。
即係希望帶甩咗佢，咁有個優勢。咁帶唔甩咧就冇辦法啦，即係俾啲速度高嘅選手咧就會後面冚上嚟。
都係2分30到啫，即係平均都係1分15，冇快過。如果呢個速度跑翻嚟都係4分。
Into the final bend they kick. The stadium is on its feet. Abhishekar pulls up shoulder to shoulder with the leader. She looks hit with a burst of pure adrenaline. Rounding the turn, she hits the straightaway, and she has taken the lead.
如果以而家個 pace 4分40幾，應該好多選手都跑得到喎。
咁就係尾嗰個圈會唔會突然間有人爆出嚟咧？都睇睇啦。咁南韓嘅宋多恩咧就李快佢又係咁跟，李曼都係呢個位冇變過。
咁啊，比開圈快嘅變動。
係啊，睇個 form 咧，即係宋多恩咧就好似好輕鬆啊，身形亦都好好嘅，喺中長跑嚟講。咁啊，仲有圈啦，3分25，睇睇尾圈跑幾多啊？如果尾圈跑到1分10秒內咧，都係4分35秒內咧，應該就可以做到嘅尾圈。睇睇係咪再加速啦？反而咧頭先斯里蘭卡嘅運動員帶咗一陣之後咧，就而家咧就
Down the home straight they come. It's Sri Lanka against the rest of Asia. Tarushi Abhishekar is digging deep now, pouring out every ounce of energy left in her reserves.
南韓嘅宋多欣咧仲係跟住喎，仲未抽頭喎，呢度想抽出去啊，後面啦，
抽咗我先
過先，但係喺彎度個人有啲蝕底嘅，
因為個距離長啲要抽出嚟。
係
有機會去到最後100米
斯里蘭卡嘅就亦都報住佢啊。
咯。
咁啊，帶頭嘅伊朗啊，應該伊朗嘅選手，佢最好成績係4分45咧，計數咧就冇理由會贏到佢哋喎。但係係咪真係俾爆冷贏咗出嚟咧？
睇埋100米，
斯里蘭卡啦，衝埋上去！
哇，好爽喎！斯里蘭卡嗰個過啦應該。
The gap is widening. She is pulling away from the field. Incredible acceleration. She crosses the line. Gold for Sri Lanka. Tarushi Abhishekar wins the Asian under 21,500 meter title, clocking an absolute stellar time of 4 minutes and 31 seconds. What a magnificent, golden run for the young Sri Lankan prodigy.